emblem to be removed in an ongoing purge of relics and memorials that honor the Confederacy. Seattle's so-called autonomous zone is no more after police cleared the area near the state capitol on Wednesday. This man was one of those who was removed by the police.
They had these big guns, and that was already enough. They had these big guns. I don't know if they shoot fireworks or soap or bubbles. I don't know, but it was a big gun. They all have big guns. They're all bigger than me. They all have...
He raises concerns, ESPN legal expert Brian Smith.
From a sports fan standpoint, I had a little bit of excitement. I mean, I'm a fan. The idea of going to a game is exciting, but, and that's the lawyer in me, it's the but. The first thing I thought was, what's the waiver going to look like? And is it going to be what they want it to be? Which is, I assume, a guarantee against ever being sued if somebody catches coronavirus at the game. And I don't necessarily think it is. I mean, we are in a delicate time in this country where some of the cases are going off. And to have fans to the game and think the waiver is going to do it for you, I'm not saying the NFL feels that way. I know they're floating it in.
It's time for your traffic update on KYW. Currently, Lincoln Drive outbound is closed between Ridge and Clifton. Up until around 5 o'clock, we'll keep you posted and let you know if that construction ends early. 95 in both directions.
Who left the scene of a fatal crash Wednesday afternoon. A stolen Toyota Corolla traveling at...
Maryland State Police are stepping up patrols for the holiday weekend.
Troopers from all 23 barracks that he was connected to the Guillen case. Another person is in custody. Jim Ryan, ABC News. 4th of July weekend committed to cracking down on unfair or illegal Chinese trade policies. The way previous administrations have dealt with current expectation is 715 million pounds. It's called to use law enforcement personnel to protect historic landmarks as the country works. If you're caught possessing less than half an ounce of marijuana in the city of Nashville, Tennessee, don't be expected to be prosecuted. Nashville Police USA moving to stop prosecuting people for pot. If you're caught possessing...
Experience the Balance of Nature difference for yourself. Right now, Balance of Nature is offering free shipping and 35% off.
They are attracted to that through us, and they are attracted to Jesus Christ.
To host a sports radio show with no sports. It doesn't matter how much I try to reason with him, I've stopped trying because he just is short.
Mostly clear tomorrow night with a low of 66. Even hotter weather on Friday, mostly clear skies with a high of 93, and mostly sunny on Independence Day with a high of 93.
Talked about, and let's say gets the coronavirus and then sues. What are the chances they actually win that? What if they say, hey, I went to a Buffalo Bills game against the Patriots and I got the coronavirus?
Verizon Unlimited plans start at just $35 per line per month. 4 lines for customers who choose the Smart Unlimited plan and auto pay. So switch today and find the plan that's right for you. That's Verizon. Unlimited 4G LTE. Kind of congestion, your data may be temporarily slower than other apps. Only after 25
롤모델이었던 그 부자, 그분들을 애증하게 되어 있습니다. 결국 부자가 되기 위해서는요, 부자가 되고 싶은, 빨리 되고 싶은 그 마음을 없애는 게 최단시간에 갈 수 있는 방법이래요. 자, 20, 30대나 좀 젊은 나이에요. 부자가 된 젊은이들 많이 있으시죠? 그 부를요, 평생 가져가는 사람들이 몇 명이라고 정말 재밌을 정도라고 합니다. 그래서요, 한 연구 결과에 의하면 부자가 되기에 가장 좋은 나이는 50세 이후래요. 지금 이 방송 청취하고 계신 분 중에 50세 되신 분, 50세 이후가 되신 분